friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, we're going to be announcing our winner for our Sparkle Party YouTube Shorts giveaway. Now, I hope that you know that I don't do anything in a small way. And one lucky person will not only get her bag of pastel sprinkles, but she'll also be walking away with 4 brand spanking new spring, summer, and shabby chic 6x6 paper collections that have yet to be released. Not even our design team members have received their brand new scrapbook paper packs yet. So hang tight as we choose our winner.
Keep them separated.